Yeah, so I literally like I cannot stop laughing. Like I'm so happy out here. Like this is seriously like outside is my home. It's my freaking home. Like oh my gosh, you guys. Like don't even understand, or I don't, maybe you do. If you do, that's awesome. Like oh my gosh, like I literally like it is my goal to have like a home someday. Like I'll probably like build it myself where I literally like have a room that's like outside, maybe even the whole house. I don't know. I want like a dirt floor, literally. Like I want to sleep on the dirt, you know, and probably have some kind of like covering over it, but like I don't know. Outside is just it's my home. It's where I thrive. I feel like a new person every time I go outside. It's just I don't know. It's just so oh my gosh, it's just so amazing. So amazing, you guys. I just want to tell you. Like seriously. Okay. All right.